Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.3, Problem 30. This is Section 2.3, Problem 30. It says, in a parking lot at BCC, there are 86 vehicles with 4-cylinder engines, 57 vehicles with 6-cylinder engines, and 33 vehicles with 8-cylinder engines. What fraction of the cars in this parking lot have 8-cylinder engines? Express your answer in simplest form. So first of all, you have to figure out how many cars there are altogether. So let's see, we have 86 that have 4 cylinders. I'll just abbreviate a little bit. Next is 57 with 6 cylinders. And then 33 with 8 cylinders. So now let's get a total for that. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. So I'll write the 6 from the 16, carry the 1. Now I'll add 1 plus 8 plus 5 plus 3. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4 more is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. So that means there are a total of 176 cars in this parking lot. Now, of those 176, 33 of them have 8-cylinder engines. So what fraction of the cars in the parking lot have an 8-cylinder engine? It would be 33 over 176. Now, it says write your answer in simplest form. Is this the simplest form? It's kind of tough to tell. Well, because of the 33 on the top, I know 33 is 3 times 11. So I can either divide 3 into both evenly, or 11 into both evenly, or possibly 33 into both evenly. Well, the 176, I know that 3 will not divide into that evenly, because 1 plus 7 plus 6 is 14. 3 does not go into 14 evenly, so it'll not divide into 176 evenly. So I won't even try the 3. Will the 11 divide into 176 evenly? I don't have the same type of trick for that by adding the digits up, but I will just off to the side 176 divided by 11 and see if I get an answer with no remainder or if I have a remainder. So 11 divides into 1 won't fit. 11 divides into 17. It'll go in once. 1 times 11 is 11. 17 minus 11 is 6. Bring down the next digit, which is also 6, and it does go in evenly. 11 times something is 66. 11 times 6 exactly is 66. No remainder. It does go in evenly. So let me write on the left side. 11 divides into 33 3 times. 11 divides into 176 16 times. And now, can 3 and 16 be reduced any further? And the answer is no. There's no number that divides into both 3 and 16 evenly. So our answer in simplest form is 3/16. 3/16 of all the vehicles in that parking lot have an 8-cylinder engine.